Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we are going to talk about Kubernetes and why we need Kubernetes. Basically we are going to see some features of using Kubernetes. So let's get started. So Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform that automates many of the manual processes involved in deploying, managing and scaling containerization applications. So it automatically deploying and managing the our containerized applications. So here you can see the Kubernetes is an open source container orchestration platform. So orchestration automates the deployment, management, scaling, and networking of containers. The companies that need to deploy and manage hundred or even thousands of containers and hosts can benefit from container orchestration. So Kubernetes groups containers that make up an application into logical units for easy management and discovery. And Kubernetes is a software that automatically manages, scales, and maintains multi-container workloads in desired states. So here we don't need to do anything manually. Kubernetes automatically do the things. So here the terms comes why we need a Kubernetes. So here we will see the reason of using Kubernetes. So here I have written some tutorials. So like containers are a good and easy way to bundle and run your applications in a production environment. You need to manage the containers that run the applications and ensure that there is no downtime. For example, if a container goes down, another container needs to start. If you need to access to the server, then you need to launch the container and again access to the server, and you need to launch the another server, and you need to maintain if any container fails, and then you need to check the container again and again, and it would not be easier for us. So that's how the Kubernetes comes to the rescue. So by this reason the Kubernetes comes. So Kubernetes provides us an interface to run distributed systems smoothly, and it takes care of scaling and failover of our application, provides deployment patterns and more. So we don't need to go to we don't need to access to the server, and we need to launch the container manually. Kubernetes automatically does these things. So this is the reason behind using the Kubernetes. So we don't need to check the container, and don't need to launch a container. So it automatically launch the containers. So here you can see the Kubernetes provides you with the various services, like these are also the benefits of using Kubernetes, like service discovery and load balancing, storage orchestration, automated rollouts and rollbacks, automatic bin packing, and self-healing and secret and configuration management. So first of all we will see service discovery and load balancing. So Kubernetes can expose a container using the DNS name or using their own IP address. So if traffic to a container is high, then Kubernetes is able to load balance and distributes the network traffic so that the deployment is stable. So this is also the big benefit of a Kubernetes, that it automatically balance the load to the server, and deployment is stable in our production environment. So the second one is a storage orchestration. So Kubernetes allows you to automatically mount a storage system of your choice, such as local storage, public cloud providers, and more. And the another benefit is automated rollouts and rollbacks. So you can describe the desired state of your deployed containers using Kubernetes, and it can change the actual state to the desired state at a controlled rate. For example, you can automate a Kubernetes to create new containers for your deployment, remove existing containers, and add up all the resources to new container. And here, this is another benefit, this like automatic bin packing. So you provide Kubernetes with a cluster of nodes that it can use to run containerized tasks, and you tell Kubernetes how much CPU and RAM each container needs. So Kubernetes can fit containers onto your nodes to make best use of your resources. So the another benefit is self-healing. So Kubernetes restarts containers that fails. So Kubernetes basically automatically restarts the containers that fails, and it replaces the containers and kill containers that it will kill containers that don't respond to your user defined health check, and doesn't advertise them to clients until they are ready to serve. So these are the very big benefit of using Kubernetes. And here the another secret and configuration management. So Kubernetes lets us store and manage sensitive information such as passwords or tokens and SSH keys. So you can deploy and update secrets and application configurations without rebuilding your container images, and without exposing secrets in your stack configuration. So this is also the big benefit of security in Kubernetes. So all these are the reasons behind using Kubernetes. So because of this, we need Kubernetes. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to press the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.